It's your boy Khris. You already know what it is, bro. I'm trying to get in on these rationals. What's up, Miss Petty? Alright, so first, we're going to start off with 3. Oh, wrong side. 3 minus x, 3x over x squared plus 3x minus 10 minus 6 over x squared plus 3x minus 10. So this is the work. First, we combine the numerator, 3x and 6, and then we put our denominators together. So then we GCF'd it, greatest common factored it. So then you get 3x minus 2 and over x plus 5, x minus 2. So then I canceled out x minus 2, and then it left me with 3x plus 5. Alright, now we're going to get to the second problem, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so my problem was 4 the square root of x plus 4 the square root of x equals 20. So then I added 4 and 4 together and got 8. So then I divided by 8 on both sides, canceled out, and then I brought down my 20 over 8. So then I divided it. Then it gave me 5 over 2, and then I turned it to the decimal, and it gave me 2.5. So in order to get rid of the square root, I had to square it. So then I squared it, and then 2.5 times 2.5 is 6.25. So I just got done with the rationals. My boy Denzel is going to hit you with them quadratics, so I'm out.
Alright, it's your boy Denzel, man. Alright, see, I'm doing quadratics. My boy Christian just got done doing rationals. Anyways, well, the problem that we're gonna solve today, we're doing three different problems. X squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. This is going to turn into, the quadratic happens to factor, you feel what I'm saying? So it's going to be x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals parentheses x plus 4 parentheses x minus 1 equals 0. So we already know that the solutions are x equals -4 and x equals 1. So the question is, how would my solutions look in quadratic formula? Alright. So what you would do is you write x equals negative parentheses 3 parentheses plus square root parentheses 3 parentheses square minus 4 parentheses 1 parentheses -4 parentheses over 2 parentheses 1 equals -3 plus square root 9 plus 16 equals -3 plus square root of 25. And you're going to put both of them over 2. And then that's going to equal -3 plus 5 equals -3 minus 5, comma, -3 plus 5. And all them is going to be over 2. And then that's going to equal to -8 over 2 parentheses 2 over 2 equals -4, which is 1 equals to -6. Then as expected, the solution is x equals -4, x equals 4. I mean x equals 1. I'm sorry. So that's what we was that's what we was trying to do, wasn't it? Alright. Next, and I'm back for quadratic formula number 2. The problem is 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 equals 0. So I'm going to use the letters for y'all to make it more simpler. A equals 9, and B going equals 12, and C going equals 4. The quadratic formula gives x equals -12 in parentheses plus square root of 12 in parentheses squared minus 4 parentheses 9 parentheses 4 over 2 parentheses 9. And that should give you negative 12 plus square root 144 minus 144, which was equal to negative 12 plus square root of 0 over 18. And if you simplify that or whatever, put it in a calculator. That's if you got a calculator. That will give you negative 12 plus 0 equals negative 12. Both of them over 18. So it's going to be negative 12 plus 0 over 18. Negative 12 over 18. 6 parentheses, negative 2 over 6, 3 in parentheses. Equals negative 2 over 3 equals x. Then you'll find out that the answer is x equals negative 2 over 3. Now, let me explain this. Because x is equals to negative 2 over 0, but it's equal kind of twice, negative 2 over 0 plus 0, and negative 2 over 3 minus 0. Man, it's like I don't know, it's like a repetition, like, better if, like, yeah, like, if you factor, it'd be better, like, 9x squared plus 12x plus 4 equals, parentheses, 3x plus 2, parentheses, 3x plus 2 equals 0. I mean, that's better. That's easier to me. But, I mean, y'all can go either way. That's just one out of two. One out of two ways. Your choice. Now I'm going to the next. Quadratic formula number 3. Last but not least. The problem is, this problem, last one, x squared plus 2x equals 1. Now you're going to round that to two decimal places. Alright? Two decimal places. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is move the 1 over. So you'll have a 0 on the right hand side. So that's going to give you x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 0. Then a equals 1, b equals 2, and c equals 1. That'll give you x equals negative parentheses 2 plus square root parentheses 2 square minus 4 parentheses 1 parentheses negative 1 equals, over 2 parentheses 1. That's going to equal negative 2 plus square root 4 plus 4 over 2. I know all this sounds difficult, but it's really not that difficult if you like pay attention. So what that's gonna give you, that's gonna equal to negative 2 plus square root 8 square 8 square, over 2 equals negative 2 plus square root 4 square root 2 over 2. Over 2. And that's gonna give you negative 2 plus 2 square root 2 over 2. This really a lot, but I'm gonna keep going for y'all. And then it took me like 45 minutes to work this out, really. And then equals to 2 parentheses negative 1 plus square root of 2 parentheses over 2 parentheses 1 equals negative 1 plus square root of 2 over 1 equals negative 1 minus square root of 2. And then that's one way. And then you go the other way, negative 1 plus square root of 2. Either way. Feel what I'm saying? And then in a calculator, wise, that'll give you 2.40 2.4142136 or comma the other one 0.4142136, but the answer is gonna be x equals negative 2.41 and then x equals 0.41. Round it to two decimal places. 2 that's about it. It's Cash Cartel, man. Mr. Petty, I hope you enjoy this. Hope I ain't confused you. Alright, and I'm out. When I say I'm out, I'm out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Style. All this Chris cologne on me, I splash, squirt. 800 a zone, I'm talking gas. Work, all about my check, I need my cash. First, boy, stay out my lane before I smash.